Okay, so we always go vacation, and some hotels we go to don't have a big, refrigerator, or some of them don't really even have a refrigerator. So this is a life hacks, guys. We bought a really big cooler right here, and guess what? We have our own big refrigerator. We just put an ice on them. See all of this ice here, and everything, we can keep everything fresh and cool. So we have a lot of ice at the bottom, and also we usually put a lot of ice on top, and we can dump the water at the back of that. And the ice here will really take so long to melt. So it's a cooler, it's a very good thermal. This is the Igloo brand. It's a very decent capacity for food, drinks, some fruits and vegetables in there. It even has this one, so easy to transport. And because like this, we have a very small refrigerator in the hotel, all of our stuff will not fit in this, so we put some in this one. So that's it, guys. That's one of my life hacks tips for today. Watch our other videos for more life hacks, and see you next time. Bye.